everyone, welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. Today we are going to make this wonderful plane which is going to fly in the air. For this we need an A4 size sheet. I have taken a red sheet today. Now vertically the lengthwise fold it into half. Draw a crisp line over here by pressing it firmly. Now open it and keep it like this. Now bring the upper corner towards the center line. After this, bring the right corner to the center line. Now the upper portion has to be brought down, leaving this much of space. Bring the upper portion down. See how does it look? And make a crisp line here. An inch we have left and we have folded it down. The portion left down should also be just an inch. They both can be equal, but that's okay even if they are not equal. Now fold the upper left corner again and fold the upper right corner again. Bring them towards the center line. Now the triangle, the small triangle that you can see here, you have to fold it upwards like this. Now fold this backwards. Very nice. And now this slanted line you have to bring to the center line. Match it with the center line, press it firmly, draw a crisp line here by pressing it, very nice. And now on the other side also we have to do the same. Bringing the slanting line towards the center line, pressing it firmly, and ta-da! Our aeroplane is ready to fly. Take its first flight. Hold it from here and yeah, it goes. Did you like it? Yes? So press the bell icon and do subscribe to my channel to get notified for future videos. Bye-bye. Have fun. See, I also flew the plane. I have two small videos showing how it looks like. Ooh.